Welcome to the .NET Excel Library tutorial. In this video, you will see how to convert an Excel worksheet to an image with the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. First, I will open an existing ASP.NET Core application, where I have added the Syncfusion Excel .NET Core package. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library, you can find the video link in the card above or in the description below. Next, I am going to show you the Excel worksheet that I will convert into an image. Before demonstrating the process of converting an Excel worksheet to an image, I will show you how it will be implemented in this application. Now let's see how to convert Excel worksheet to an image by clicking this button. So I open the index.cs HTML file under the Views folder and remove the existing code. Then add a button to convert the Excel to an image. Next, I save the changes and run the application to see the output page. As you can see, the defined content and the button component are displayed. First, I will add the Syncfusion Excel SIO Renderer .NET Core package in the application. So I open the NuGet Package Manager. In the Browse tab, search for the Syncfusion Excel SIO Renderer .NET Core package and install it in my application. Once the package is installed, you can find it under the Packages section. After that, navigate to the Home Controller class and import the namespaces Syncfusion Excel SIO and Syncfusion Excel SIO Renderer. Next, let me define an action method called Excel to image with the return type action result. Inside this method, I will initialize the Excel Engine class. Now create an iApplication instance using the Excel Engine and choose the default version. Then I will open the Excel file named Input Template from the Data folder in read-only mode. After that, I create an object for the iWorkbook interface and invoke the Open method using the Excel application instance, passing the input stream as a parameter. Here I access the first worksheet in the workbook. Then I initialize the Excel SIO renderer to enable converting Excel worksheets to images. To store the converted image, I will create a memory stream and convert the used range of the worksheet into an image. Then I will save it to the stream. Finally, reset the stream position to the beginning. To make the image downloadable, I will create a file stream result that sends the image content to the browser. Then I set the name of the file that will be presented for download. I will also return the file stream result at the end. Now I save and run the application. When I click the Excel to Image button, the image will be downloaded. Look here, and you will see the Excel worksheet has been converted into an image. In this video, I have shown you how to convert Excel worksheet to image using the Syncfusion Excel Library. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format products through our community license. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.